Welcome to the ServiceNowStar YouTube, go-to destination for all things ServiceNow. Whether you are a seasoned IT professional or just diving into the world of enterprise solutions, we have got you covered. From tutorials and tips to the latest updates and innovations, join us on this journey to master ServiceNow. Don't forget to hit subscribe and ring the notification bell so you never miss.
Hello and welcome back to the ServiceNow Star. I'm your host, Mohammed Kamal, your certified technical architect. On today's topic is all about how ServiceNow help organization automate core IT service process, significantly boosting agent productivity. On today's complex IT landscape, teams are expected to deliver fast, consistent service across devices in time zone and also department. By consolidating IT services and operations onto the Now platform, customers can tap into the power of AI because the age is AI, ladies and gentlemen, and it can also you can automate and modern using these modern digital workflows. Now, today I'll walk you through the six key applications that can enable this transformation for your organization, okay? Along with a real world use case to bring each one into life. All right, so I'll talk about the first one, which is going to be the ITSM. Okay, ITSM, this is an application that allows you to automatically route incidents. First thing is first, automatically create incidents through different channel, could be through email or phone call, or even the end users go directly to the portal and they can create an incident. Okay, and now once that is incident based on the description or based on the category and subcategory, that incident can be automatically routed to the support group using a machine learning. And also, agents can then collaborate in real time and restore the service faster. Now, let me give you one typical use case. Imagine a university where students are unable to access their online learning portal. With incident management, the issue is automatically categorized as a high impact outage. Okay, because it's going to impact so many students within that campus. Now, it's going to be routed once the ticket is created, it will be routed to the network team. And from there, collaboration tools allow multiple teams to swarm on the incident, resolving the outage within minutes instead of hours. Okay, because it's gonna be, it's gonna notify, you'll see the assignment group, and also you can add, if there is, there's a notification, you can send out those notifications. So all the support groups here, they can swarm on this ticket and they can work on it to provide a fast resolution. Now, what is the result? There's a fast resolution, there's a minimal disruption within the university, and also increased in student satisfaction. That's also a key thing is to get. Now, let me bring your attention to the second one, which is problem management. Okay, problem management, and instead of just fixing, okay, fixing frequent incident, this app, the problem manager, dig deeper. Okay, what's the root cause? Identifying the root cause to prevent future disruption. A structured workflow ensure the problems are properly documented, investigated, and resolved. Now, good example on this case is a financial institution notices frequent slowdown in their online banking service. Every Monday this is happening. Okay, now every Monday is happening. Now they're gonna say why this is happening just on Monday. With some problem management, right, the IT team they can identify there could be some different problems there. One could be there is a batch of job from a legacy system is consuming the too many resources. Okay, once they identified these, they schedule the job to a different time instead of being on Monday, maybe off hours, okay, like nighttime or on the weekend, to eliminate the recurring issue for good. Okay, that's what is really a proactive service management at its best, ladies and gentlemen. That's what problem management in ServiceNow really help you to resolve, identify the root cause, and then from there be able to tap the ultimate benefit. All right. The third one is ITSM. ITSM, from ITSM is the change management. Let's move on. Okay. This change management is a critical for delivering a new features without introducing risk. yes, there's always a change, there's always enhancements, and from there I don't need to carry a risk. So that's why you need a change management. It's a low risk change, can be automatically assigned and worked on. These are low risk, or there could be some after the fact change, or these are standard change. They have a standard process, so you don't need to get an approval. You can quickly work on them. But there are changes that require an approval process or a change advisory board to look at them. In this case, this complex change, they need to go through the CAB workbench for a structured planning, approval, and also scheduling, because there will be some scheduling conflicts. All that need to be resolved. Now, let's take a look at one use case. There is a retail company plan to upgrade their POS system during the off hours. Now the change request is submitted, routed for approval. It goes to schedule automatically, and then a high risk element goes through the change advisory board, which means virtually via the CAB workbench, ServiceNow CAB workbench, streaming the communication, reducing delays. Now, what is the benefit here? There's a smooth rollout we can expect from this. There's a minimal downtime. And also, ultimately, we have an improved customer satisfaction. That's also the best thing you can get. Now, that's not it. With ITSM, you will get the Employee Center, which is newly created by ServiceNow. The Employee Center, where it's not yet currently replacing the service portal. You still need to use the service portal, but you are highly encouraged to change or to move from your old service portal to an employee center if you would like to do so. If not, you can continue. But this employee center, it is a unified portal where users can request IT and also other services all in one place. That's the best thing here. It connect your departments like your IT, okay, HR, facilities, legal. So employee, they can get the help they need no matter what the request will be. Now, typical use case in this case is, let's think about a new employee join a hybrid workspace. Employee center, they request a laptop from IT, an ID badge from the facility, and also the benefits onboarding from HR, all through one portal. Okay, there's no emails, no confusion, just one seamless digital experience. Wow, what a cool future, ladies and gentlemen. Now, the other one is the Service Operation Workspace, or in short, we call it SOW. The SOW, or the Service Operation Workspace, it provides a unified interface for your IT agents, so combining incidents, alerts, and change tasks all in one place. Okay, the best thing here, SOW, is that you can create these different tables. You can bring them all together here, your incidents, problems, change, all of that in one place. And not only that, it also can come with a playbook. This playbook give you a step-by-step guide for you. Okay, step-by-step guide for you how to resolve given incidents and so on. All right, now with this we can take a look at one use case. Let's think about a cloud-based software company that detect degraded performance on its API service. An alert is triggered, linking it to a known issue. Now the surfaced in the workspace immediately is come to the service, the workspace. So the employee, they don't need to wait for a notification. They are on their workspace and it's gonna pop up immediately. Then the agent follow a pre-built remediation playbook. Okay, it's gonna immediately, based on the description, the short description, and so on, it's gonna bring you the pre-built playbook. Now they know, the agent know who to contact, the affected team, and then from them resolve this incident before the customer even notice a problem. That's what proactive IT support in action looks like. Ladies and gentlemen, we are almost to the last one, which is the mobile agent. Let's take a look at that quickly, and then that's going to be the end. All right. Now, this is a mobile agent. The mobile agent. We have this mobile agent app giving the agent the ability to manage incident tasks and also approvals on the go. Very good use cases, like think about or picture a field technician working in a hospital who receive an urgent ticket about a failed printer on a different floor. With a mobile agent, they can just accept the task, They check inventory and they can update the record and close the ticket right from their phone without ever returning to their workstation. Okay. Now, what is the benefit we can get from this? It really boosts productivity, eliminates delays, and especially in a fast moving environment. That's what we are currently, ladies and gentlemen. Now, with the ServiceNow ITSM, we can get such powerful application like the incident management. Okay, the incident management that can help us fix issues faster. Problem management help us prevent and repeat disruptions. Change management to safely roll out different improvements and enhancements. Employee Center to simplify our service request, and the Service Operation Workspace SOW to guide agents through the alerts and the actions. And last but not least, the mobile agent to keep work flowing anywhere and anytime. Listen, gentlemen, each application is backed by an automation and intelligent enabling team to deliver resilience, consistency, and also high quality service at scale. This is how modern IT works, and this is how ServiceNow help you deliver. Thank you for joining this lesson or this session. Up next time, we will explore how ServiceNow use AI and analytics to drive even greater efficiency in IT operation. Until then, make sure if you're not subscribed, make sure to subscribe to the ServiceNow Star so that you're not gonna miss our latest update from there. Thank you. Have a great day, everybody. Bye bye.